use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Okay, so my name is Dylan Lucarelli, and I got a SDDN 18 and a 6th order. Rear chambers 25 hertz, top chambers 55 hertz, and it's on a Sound Digital 12K. Got Sundown Neo Pros for the doors and some Sundown tweeters. I don't know what they are.
Okay, nice. You built this?
Yes, sir. It
Nice.
was designed by Basaholic Productions.
Okay. I like that you've got double ports in those corners.
It's nice. It sounds real. It's real musical.
How's the bandwidth on it and the tunings?
It gets down, but since it's such a big sub, it kind of suffers on the high ends. But for what it is, it gets down.
Yeah. Are you planning to seal this off on the top here and put some speakers or something, maybe, or keep it how it is?
Maybe speakers, but I do plan on sealing off into a wall. I was gonna do it before this, but I ran out of time. So I'm in college right now.
You're good. All right. Do you know, this is a hard question maybe, but your specs, like your cubic space on this?
So the bottom chamber is 5 cubes, top chamber is 11 cubes, and total I think it's like 16 or 17.
16. All right.
It's a big box.
Pretty big box for one sub.
Yes, sir.
Nice. I like it, man.
Thank you.
And you can only invert the sub.
Yes, sir, unless you got a way smaller one.
Okay.
These are severely underpowered. That's just on 1 amp.
Okay. Yep.
They're the 3.0 Dios.
Okay. Nice. What is your electrical alternator battery power?
So I got 320 amp for alternator and 80 amp hours LTO.
LTO, that was with the trunk?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Nice. It's really good. It must have been a lot of work to fit this box in the port and how to build it. And you have to remove that panel right there to get that sub if you needed to work on it?
Yes, sir. I've had to do it a whole bunch of times. I actually used to have a Resilient Sounds team in here. I just got this SDDN.
Okay. Nice.
A sub and a battery.
Okay. All right.
We went camping up here, so.
All right, man. Hope you're having a good time. I'm just looking at the amp. That your 4-channel?
Yeah, and then I got the bass amp over here.
All right. Did this box get built in here or slide in?
It got built in there.
Wow, okay.
And then this is the removable section for the sub.
Okay.
Can't get it out.
Got it, okay.
If you need to adjust the seat, you'll need to.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Is it louder with those back windows up or down?
Down.
Okay.
This is a little bit lower.
All right. You actually can hear the lyrics through that too. Those 4 channels are screaming. You did a good job.